Muscle relaxation starts. Now, this is 18 steps technique. Get ready. Step number 1. Extend your toes. Invoke tension. Maintain tension. Slowly release it, then derive relaxation. Step number 2, flex at your ankle, pull the toes towards your face. Invoke tension, maintain the same. Slowly release tension, derive relaxation. Step number 3, pull the kneecap, tighten the thigh muscles, invoke tension, maintain the same. Slowly release tension, derive relaxation. Now, step number 4, close the legs, push the legs with each other, invoke tension, maintain the same. Release tension, slowly derive relaxation. Now step number 5, contract the buttocks. Invoke tension, maintain the same. Slowly release the tension, derive relaxation. Now, step number 6, clench your fist up to shoulders, invoke tension, maintain the same. Release the tension, slowly loosen the fist, derive relaxation. Now step number 7, keep the palm on the ground, raise the fingers up to the wrist, invoke tension at your forearm, maintain the same. Slowly release it, derive relaxation. Step number 8, slowly push your shoulders near to your ears, invoke tension, maintain the same. Slowly release tension, replace the shoulders, derive relaxation. Step number 9, push your shoulders down, invoke tension, slowly replace the shoulders, release the tension, derive relaxation. Now, step number 10, without raising the palm, just to raise your shoulders. Raise up above the ground. Don't raise the head. Invoke the tension. Maintain the same. Slowly release the tension, derive relaxation. Now, step number 11, contract the lips, invoke tension, maintain the same. Release the tension, then derive relaxation. Keep your lips eased and loose. Now, step number 12, grin and keep the cheeks tight. Invoke the tension, maintain the same. Slowly release it, derive relaxation. Step number 13, contract the eyelids, tight it, invoke and maintain the tension. Release it, derive relaxation. Step number 14, frown. Raise the eyebrows without opening the head. Create tension in the forehead. Maintain the same. Slowly release it. Derive relaxation. Step number 15, open your eyes and mouth widely. Slowly close the mouth. Slowly close the eyes. Keep your entire facial muscles relaxed. Now, step number 16. Now, take deep breath, raise the stomach, bloat it, maintain the tension, slowly release it, derive relaxation. Now, step number 17, expand the rib cage. Hold the breath, invoke the tension, maintain the same. Breathe out slowly, release the tension and derive relaxation. Step number 18. Take deep breath, contract the whole body, shrink it, create tension in the entire body, maintain the same. Breathe out slowly, relax completely. Consider the whole body as a unit. since the muscles are relaxed, you can feel heavy, just like a stone. When you put in the water, it is sinking. Likewise, realize your body is heavy, it is slowly sinking.